Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to fix address verification error on Shopee. To fix the address verification, you need to follow these steps. Now some of the basic thing you want to do is update the app. That is, make sure that Shopee app is up to date to a latest version, as update often include bugs fix as well. So exit out, go to the Play Store and look for Shopee and update the app to the latest version. When you're done updating the following application, you could also try login out and login in, and is completely closing the app, and then you could also close the background app that's running, and at the same time you could restart your device. That's going to help you out to fix. Apart from it, you could also check your internet connection. Sometimes it could be due to the outdated version or the poor connectivity. You want to go to the network that you're connected and make sure to refresh it. At the same time, you could also restart your router. That might be able to help. If in some cases, you can also try disabling the VPN or proxy. That can be able to help. And you could also check your address detail accuracy as well. So fill in all the fields, that is when address are editing and address. When adding or editing an address, you have to make sure all required fields such as region, city, and postal code are filled in accurately. And likewise, you could also check for typos or errors as well. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.